Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking to elevate your sleeping experience, then I recommend you check out this absolutely gorgeous duvet from Vesta. One of the best things about this 100% pure silk-filled duvet is that it has helped to regulate my temperature at night. I'm someone who definitely sleeps hot, and I wasn't sure if having the silk would really make a difference from the other duvets that I've used in the past that are made from synthetic materials. I was so impressed with how much better it felt to sleep with this duvet. Not only is this filled with 100% silk, but also the cover is 100% cotton. And you can tell immediately when you remove it from the package that this is a quality duvet. It's so much nicer, so much better than anything I've used in the past. I got the queen size in space gray, and I love how beautiful this duvet is because you can use it without any kind of covering on it and it just looks amazing. Plus it has loops on the duvet, and that is so nice for when you want to put a duvet cover on it to be able to tie those in place so that it doesn't slip around. Even my cat prefers to lay on the duvet instead of on the blanket that she's supposed to sleep on. My husband and I both love this duvet. We feel that it has helped to enhance our quality of sleep. Plus it's beautiful and it just feels so comfortable even without a cover on it. I'm so impressed with this duvet from Vesta. I feel it has improved the quality of my sleep. It's beautiful, it's quality, it's gonna last me so long. I think that you're gonna be impressed with it too, but that's just my point of view.